सो वेलकम टू वे ऑफ लाइफ। मेरा नाम है कनिका, मैं एक स्पिरिचुअल गाइड हूँ एंड दिस इज़ माई चैनल वेर आई लाइक टू शेयर माई वे ऑफ लाइफ विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन माई वैल्यूज़ एंड माई धर्म विच आई एम लर्निंग अबाउट, सो आई होप इट इंस्पायर्स यू। सो आज जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं डस्टिंग कर रही हूँ। सो डस्टिंग सत्संग। सो मैं हमेशा से यही ट्राई करती हूँ कि जो भी कुछ मैं करूँ उसके थ्रू मैं कुछ आपको सीख आपके साथ शेयर करूँ। मैं हमेशा से इतनी डोमेस्टिकेटेड नहीं थी। आई वॉज अ रियल वाइल्ड चाइल्ड एंड व्हेन आई फाउंड गॉड, सो इट रियली anchored me and inspires me to be a better person and yeah. So when I say about dusting, अगर आप देखें what धर्म does for us is कि अगर हमारी लाइफ ओके एकदम ऐसे सब कुछ एकदम टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो, what धर्म does for us is it aligns us with the divine। and जब हम लोग डिवाइन अलाइनमेंट में आ जाते हैं तो हर चीज़ ऑर्डर में आ जाती है। एवरीथिंग कम्स इनटू अ डिवाइन डिज़ाइन एंड हर चीज़ की जो जगह है वो अपनी जगह में बैठ जाती है। सो दैट इज़ वॉट धर्म डज। ओके, इट्स लाइक इट डस्ट्स अवे ऑल द माया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड which is literally eating us up and eating our light up. It's feeding on our light and when we are doing any kind of dharmic activity or living a life of faith, of love for God, then all that dirt, the muck of the world, it stops gathering on our mind, and therefore the way to consciousness becomes accessible and we are able to experience that divine bliss. So that's how I like to see dusting. परमात्मा की जो ब्लेसिंग होती है, जो उनकी जो मेहर है, जो उनका जो आशीर्वाद है, वो हमें कहीं पर भी मिल सकता है। We can find God anywhere and I personally like to live like that because it makes me have fun. I get, like I shared in my last video, मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाती हूँ। So when I am chanting or when I am just remembering God and doing satsang. What is satsang? Satsang is divine company, pure company, and remembering God is the best form of company that we have. परमात्मा का नाम ही लेना, उनकी बातें करना, it's the best, right? So this is a satsang. Like I feel satsang can be literally done anywhere. We don't have to think of it the way it's been defined earlier. Of course, as long as हमारा attitude, as long as we are having that reverence and we're doing it from our heart, I think it's great. I like to create this connection wherever I go, whatever I do. I want to connect with consciousness because what that does is it keeps me immune to a lot of bullshit in the world and I don't get affected by negativity. But when I take God's name, it creates, I'm an empath. So when I take God's name, what that does is, or I'm talking about God, it raises my vibration. So automatically I become immune to a lot of negative stuff. And along with that, I also feel that हम जब परमात्मा का नाम लेते हैं तो ये एक तरह से केवल हमारी रक्षा नहीं होती, बट ये एक तरह से हमारा गुड फॉर्चून भी कलेक्ट हो रहा है. We are collecting, like we have a bank balance of karma. We have an account. So sometimes there are things we've done we're not very proud of, but when we do this, when we try and remember God and just focus on consciousness. See, God is, Paramatma is consciousness. Param Atma. Atma is consciousness. Param is supreme consciousness. So when we are connecting with the higher power all the time, what that does is it doesn't allow the dust of the world, of the Maya world, to settle on our mind. It keeps cleaning us up. It keeps cleansing our energy. And that is what is, and we need to do it regularly, because they can, just like exercise or even riyaz or any kind of activity that you want to perfect, you need to do it consistently. So which is why I try to make my relationship with God a day-to-day way of life thing. I don't try and limit it to one day a week that I'll go and do a satsang at that time. No, I can't do that. I have to learn to activate the divine in everything that we do. That bond and that connection with consciousness, and you're able to enjoy that connection, and you'll find that whatever kind of work you're doing in the house, it just adds so much bliss and joy and fun to whatever you do. So yeah, that's it from me, and wish you all the best. Keep the faith. Lots of love and namaste. Bye.